Hello, and welcome to Flo's Kalimba world. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use glissando. So, the kalimba is a very versatile instrument, and there are many methods you can use to play. In glissando, you basically slide your thumb across the tines to make a sound. Something like this. Now, normally, you would play the kalimba one note at a time. Say if you were to start from C, the bottommost tine, it would go like this. But with glissando, it's not one tone at a time, but rather multiple. If you have your kalimba with you right now, you can just press pause, I can wait, and then we can play this together. So how do you play glissando? Let's try an exercise right now. Let's start with just 2 times at a time, as that is the most easiest. We'll start with the bottommost tine again, C and E. Then we can also go ahead with E and G, G and B. On the other side, we can go with C and D, D and F, F and A. You can even try to do it a little bit faster. When you go slow, it's harmonious, but you can tell it's 2 times. If you go a little faster, sometimes it's a little hard to tell. Something like this. So that's 2 times. Can we also go with 3? Of course. You can use the glissando in with 3 times, and it is quite common. Let's go for C, E, and G and see how that sounds. We're going to go slow first, and then fast. G, B, and D. Now we go for C, D, and F, D, F, A, and F, A, and C. Now we do the same thing, but a little bit faster. So that's with 3 times. Can we do glissando with 4 or 5? The answer is yes, you can. You can even go the whole way. So this is what it sounds like with just 4. This is with 5. It's sometimes actually very relaxing to play glissando. So there you go. That's how you use glissando on a kalimba. But how does it sound when you use it in a song? Let's find out. I'm going to use a very simple tune. We're going to go with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So this is how it sounds without glissando. And this is what the melody sounds with glissando. Didn't that sound really lovely? And that's how you use glissando when you play. Can you use glissando for every melody? It's up to you. If you want to, you can. And if you feel it is not something, or rather not your cup of tea, you don't have to. I hope you liked this video, learning how to play glissando on your kalimba. If you felt this video was useful, please do give it a like, and do consider subscribing if you haven't already. See you in the next video.